Alright guys, it's been half a year since our last video. Yeah, I was a first year college student back then. I'm a second year now. I don't know, man. College is rough. But you know what? I have cars for them. This isn't my car.
Oh yeah, this is my car. How's it going? Behind the camera.
Yeah, it's been a while. But we have some mods for Aaron's car. He should have done it a long time ago, but that's fine.
Yeah. And we also got
Eligio, what's up? Or Eli, aka Little Mexican Boy. And we have these fog lights for him, and we have low beams. Funny thing is, these are the fog lights, but in reality, these are brighter, 10,000 lumens. So we're gonna kill some people.
Alright.
Let's get it. Alright, if you want, come over here. So, we watched a video on how to do it, I think. So we had to take out this thing right here.
Yep.
So we can stick our hand like this.
Yep.
I believe. Alright? And then if we're moving on to the passenger side, you see we already took out all these clips. And then you have to take out this this screw too, right? And then that'll allow us to put our hand in here, okay? And then for the fog lights, I think that's...
We're gonna have to lift the car.
Either lift it or take off the bumper. It's up to Aaron. It's his car.
Probably gonna lift it.
Alright. Well, I guess we can check back in when we get the first headlight out.
Alright.
So.
I'm just kidding.
Dang, Aaron, what happened? Did you just break something?
Oh, we didn't break a clip.
Aaron
Where?
broke something.
What clip? Oh, brother.
Oh, look at this little clip.
I found your electrical.
Wow.
Yeah, just don't touch that.
Wow, he's taking everything apart. I thought we were just doing headlights.
Look at this.
Oh my God.
Wow, would you look at that? A broken clip.
Hey, you know what? Most of these clips are missing already.
Excuse me. We took those off camera.
Dude, this is broken.
Yes, it's broken.
This is actually broken.
I mean, it's not a car video unless you break stuff.
You gotta go like this. You gotta open it from right here.
That's what I tried to do, and it just came up and went.
Oh, well.
Well, sorry, brother.
The last owner is a weirdo then.
Well, the last owner really got you there, Aaron. Yeah. Alright, well, as you guys can see, they're just trying to stick their hands in the holes. You know what I mean? That's right. But yeah, look at him. Oh, Eligio's deep diving in it. There he is.
I swear.
Well, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not working, but I got gloves on. So I guess we could check back in when they have what's it called? The headlights out. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna let you guys know. Oh, there we go. Oh, sweet. All right. I'm gonna let you guys know I got my side in before these two fools right behind me did. See how they're still working? My side's in. I don't know about y'all.
Yeah, you're funny. Who took out the battery and who freaking took out the light right now?
Guys, I'm gonna let you know, look, I had to take out the battery and everything.
No, I had to take out the battery.
And then look, if you guys look in there, I already got my stuff in. They're still, look at them.
It's in it.
Of course it's in.
It's in there.
See, like, look, they're using screwdrivers. You see, look, guys. Look, listen to the pro right here.
Don't own a Honda.
Always a Honda. Look,
Don't get pre-used.
Look, you guys can see that that orange in there. That's from the new LED.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Let me talk about what LEDs these are. These are aux beam F16s. I have these on my car. They're super bright, to be honest.
They're what, 6,000?
Mine were brighter.
What was that?
Mine were brighter. 10,000 lumens, baby.
Those are going
Well, you know, we haven't started the fog lights, but yeah. To make this a little bit of a DIY, let me talk to you guys a little bit for that. All right, so the biggest thing is, for the driver's side, you're gonna wanna take out the battery, because the battery's just in the way. That's why we took out our battery. And then for the passenger side, low beam, you're gonna wanna take out the windshield wiper filled neck, because then that'll give you more access. Let me show you guys. Yes, I took out the battery. Here's all our terminals. And then I'm not sure where the windshield wiper neck is, but it's right. It would be like right here.
It's in there. It's right there.
I guess we check back in when Eligio finally figures it out.
You're funny. You're funny.
I don't know about you guys, but I've been done for like 15 minutes.
Oh, you're hilarious.
That's right. Go ahead, sing it one time. Hit it one time for the one time.
Oh, Riley.
There it is. Where's the ending?
Auto part.
All right, thanks, brother. All right, yeah, we're gonna check back in, guys. I'm gonna let you guys know. I got the passenger side off too. These fools back there couldn't do it. I tell you what. See, it just needed some good old love it, okay? Just kidding, it needed 2 hands. Not 1, 2, okay? But you know what? What can I say? I took out both headlight bulbs by myself. Just kidding. They helped me. Oh my gosh, but look, Eligio can't even figure out how to put it back together.
No, it's not going in all the way.
No, fool, turn it upside down.
You know what? You may be right.
No, I'm just screwing with you. You have it in the right
Yeah,
way.
exactly. I was like, wait a minute.
Grip.
Wait,
Oh, before you put it back in, you should test it.
Let's put the battery back in, then turn the lights on. Because if these don't turn on, we have to switch the bulbs with each other. Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna plug the battery back in and Eligio, talk me
get in
through.
here?
No, not really, but talk me through what's going on in there.
All right. I need a light. Alrighty, guys. So you see that screw right there? Yeah, we're trying to. I don't know if they can
I don't know
either.
if you guys can see it, but
Oh yeah, they see it. That screw right there, we're trying to get it out. But this mini screwdriver we have right there,
It's a little chubby.
it's a little too small. So
yeah, like I said, guys, size matters.
All right, what up, people? We're doing the fog lights now. Got it out, as you can see. You know, Jacob just had to cut it a little bit, a little bunkness here and there. It fits, boy.
Barely, bro. Hey, let me clean it up a little bit.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna try it out. Oh, this is Ernie, by the way.
those lights were brighter than my future.
Ooh.
All of our futures, bro.
All right. Dude, look at that Dremel expert here.
Oh my god, you're so hot. Bruh, it's so
like
hot. Isn't it?
melting.
Here, that one's actually melted.
I know the feeling.
Ooh, look at that.
Real talk, we just got the fog lights out. So we actually had to take them out of the housing. I don't know if you can tell, but like Eligio is working on it like right about there. But pretty much there's like 3 screws you had to take out and then 2 more. And then the whole thing just kind of dangles, you know what I mean? Once it takes out, it's a twist and pull of the bulb. And you just put in the new one. But as you're gonna see, I had to cut it. So stay tuned for that one. But yeah, this is how to do your fog lights and your high beams with LED bulbs. And then you can see the rest of the guys back there, they're working.
All right.
Okay, so
we're done.
yeah, we finished. This thing was a pain, but we did it. I mean, Jacob will back me up on this. It was literally a pain.
I hate cars. I hate working on them.
Yeah, we just.
All right.
Just kidding. I love them, but I hate them.
Right.
Love-hate
Then-
relationship.
I'll turn on the lights and you can
Yes.
show them.
Alrighty. This is the end result. Mine that I sold them are at the bottom, and then the ones he got on.
Wow. I was gonna say, watch them not turn on.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at
Dude.
that.
Stand back, like.
I tell you what.
Can you see those fog lights? Yeah.
I was supposed to study for 2 hours, so if I fail this exam, Aaron, this is on YouTube.
Yep. Wow. Civics.
That's the definition of a stance boy right there.
Wow.
Wow, that's perfection.
Push it in. Put it. Twist. Rivet. Done.
Remember? That's what this one was supposed to be.
What happened?
Look, guys, this might be your only video for the rest of your life from Stock Boys Garage, okay? So yeah, you better enjoy it. Make sure you like it, comment, subscribe. But yeah, see you guys next time. Stock Boys Garage.
We're not professionals, but we tried to.
Oh, that's right. That's what I'm saying.